Oh gosh. The time has come. Tomorrow I'm going to be taking part in cold water immersion. In other words, I will be taking an ice bath. The event will be taking place in Retford Jasmine Trust Centre, which is hosted by Mind Buddy, specifically Chris, our lovely Chris. Thank you for running the event. The event will include the breath work first and then the ice bath after. So we kind of have a bit of a teaching how to breathe, how to deal with that situation, and then jump in the cold waters. I'm kind of rethinking my life decisions right now. Oh gosh. I have been practicing taking cold showers. The water is expected to be 6 degrees or less, and I'll be able to stay in that water for up to 3 minutes. I must say, I really like to be out of my comfort zone. I love trying out new things and create these new experiences. I am nervous, but it is exciting at the same time. It will help me to kind of see a different side of me. Even from my previous video, it was freezing when it was raining when I went to Lake District to do the hike, and I managed. So I'm sure I can overtake these obstacles or challenges in some way. I'm very excited to do this also with the group of people. Might potentially get very emotional, especially with the breath work, because I know sometimes people can go through different emotions while doing it. If it's anger, you want to cry, laugh, and so on. All right, well, I just need to prepare a couple of things, like my swimsuit and a towel. I'm sure that's all I really will need. Maybe some tissues just in case I do get emotional, but should be exciting. Gonna get me out of the comfort zone, and hopefully I can capture all of it and share it with you guys. All right, well, see you tomorrow. Sheldon, you ready?
So we started with breath work, which prepared us to bring ourselves to the present moment, release stress and bring awareness to our breathing and bodies. Big thanks to My Monkey Minds UK for coming down to run the sessions. During the breath work, I felt this incredible sense of peace and empowerment. It was like hitting the reset button for your mind and spirit. And for once, my mind wasn't wondering about my weekly shopping list, which is a progress. And it was also time to not only mentally, but physically prepare for the ice bath. And of course, me and some other people were picked to go first. Feeling a mix of excitement and terror, I once again found myself questioning my life decisions, even though I managed to keep a smile on my face. Together, we all took a few deep breaths, getting ready for the plunge into the ice cold water. As I dipped into the icy cold, my thoughts abruptly stopped and panic set in as I struggled to find my breath. A friendly reminder to relax and keep breathing got me through. I found a rhythm, stuck to it, and rode the wave of uncertainty. Going through a range of emotions, my mind played tricks on me, searching for distractions from the discomfort. From moments of giggles to moments of uncontrollable trembling. Surprisingly, the time seemed to slip away faster than I expected. The first 1 to 2 minutes dragged on, likely due to my inner struggle against thoughts and discomfort. However, the following 3 minutes swiftly passed, and unexpectedly, I discovered a sense of comfort within the discomfort, a feeling as if I had embraced the challenge. And just like that, 5 minutes passed.
A little bit.
Stepping into a breathwork and ice bath challenge was an exhilarating journey beyond my comfort zone. Embracing discomfort, I discovered profound peace and resilience. This adventure gifted me the power to reset, finding joy beyond the familiar. So dear friends, let's sprinkle excitement into life. Take that leap, embrace the unknown and watch magic unfold. Break free from the cozy cocoon because in the dance with discomfort, you'll find your most vibrant, authentic self.